Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have Ford Explorer 2008 and we need to program a used computer. This car here, we have a problem with the computer. We order a computer from the junkyard and we need to put it in. There is two ways to put this computer. The first one is to just plug it in and program the key. If you plug it in and program the key, the car will start, but you will have a problem with the ABS light on, check engine light on, VIN mismatch inside the anti-lock brake control module. The next one is to wipe the whole computer out and download a new software where the computer will ask you for two VIN numbers. Right now I have this car here. I'm clicking on this to see now. Okay, module configuration, program out of date, I know. Now the computer will go into programming mode. Okay, ignition off. He said that it will go into VIN verification. So let me see. Is this the VIN number? Ahmed, hello. Can you check the VIN number there? Let me see, maybe I have a paper here that have a VIN number on it. Okay, I just want to check the VIN number to see what VIN number ending. Okay, this VIN number ending with 6810. So this is not the VIN number. I will say no.
Wrong.
So I will say no. He will give you the other VIN number, or he will tell you the right VIN. Is this the VIN number? 7171613. Where does this VIN number come from? Can you check, Ahmed? This VIN number? I don't know. Yeah, there. I have three. Is this VIN number for the car? Is this VIN number for this car?
What's that?
This VIN number for this car?
Yeah.
I'm getting two. This 2013 car.
Oh, no, maybe it's the wrong car.
So read me the VIN number, please. Oh, yeah, I got it. It's 1613, right?
Huh?
So 1613.
I'll tell you.
I got it. Yeah. Because he give me a choice. So install it. Yeah, man. I have the VIN number from the junkyard, and I say, let me grab this VIN number. When I see it, okay, now
I'm doing. The VIN number is 1 Frank Mary Edward.
No, I got it. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Maybe this was a different car.
Yeah, man. You want me to put a 2013 VIN number? If you put that one, everything gonna messed up.
I tore up this whole fucking harness, huh?
Yeah, because this harness
there's nothing there.
It's dry out, right?
No, fresh.
Oh, so the car just keep misfiring a lot. So now we have another computer. Two computers will never be bad.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah, so I'm downloading the computer now, putting the information on it.
You put in the new software too, right?
This is gonna be the latest software. Program the key. It will give you another code for
software issues.
For VIN mismatch between the ABS.
Yeah.
I have a guy I'm supposed to go to him to look this piece. This piece here.
What is this?
This piece here, people put it into the ignition switch where they put the key. They put it there so it look like shiny and beautiful. Then they put the key inside. You know, like.
Oh, it was on it?
No, they put it there, not in your car. The guy have a BMW. He's stuck on it. The car doesn't want to start. He make another key. The car doesn't want to start. I say 2 key will never be bad.
This was affecting it?
I say, let me see what's going on. When I look around, I see that thing on the. I say, what is that? He say, I say, take it out. When you take it out, the car boom starts.
Oh shit!
Why I say that? Because I have 3 months ago. I have the same thing.
But it's a magnet?
No, it deviates the signal.
Oh shit!
It's a metal, and you know, on the top of it, the layer of the antenna is plastic.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Then I'm gonna make a video on it today. Give it to the people.
That is, so you buy your own computer to check.
Yeah.
You don't trust our stuff? That's your son? Or is that a helper? Or is that
my son?
That's the best of both worlds. Son and helper.
Thank you.
Good for you.
Thank you very much. Now we finish programming. Ahmed, this phone start dying fast.
Huh?
This phone start dying very fast.
This one, yeah.
Because if I charge it by the end of the day, it's no more. Maybe I have to take some app away. Take the ignition on. What we need to do now? It will tell us the programming is done. With the switch off. Now we have to do program check. Load it. That's the software I have it in. Okay, now we're gonna go back to what? Programming the key. Okay. Ignition is on. Now clearing the codes. And the second thing we're gonna do is to